Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's very short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Roll it, heading north and south. Let's check it out. Roll it.
Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's very short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Roll it. It's a CH, and one's a CHBX and one's a CPCX. They're actually going to hook up to these two hoppers right there.
Yeah, they're going to hook up to these two grain hoppers sitting over at the OC&T's feed mill line. While we're waiting for this grain hopper train went by, remember, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, along with Jeffrey's regular channel page, because we got one subscriber going up right here on the Train Expert channel. But the subscribers on the regular channel page is the same.
Oh, just 6 videos only.
There should be 9 videos on the smaller phone. Also, again, we got a new conductor on the OC&T, and we still have no idea what his name is. I'll tell you what it is the next time on the Train Expert channel, because I believe we're no longer going to have Jack on the Train Expert channel. I believe. But I'm not sure, because with that new conductor, we're not sure if he filling in for Jack, or Jack's quitting the the OC&T's, and he ain't gonna be excuse me, not part of the Train Expert channel anymore, because he hasn't been on the Train Expert channel since that passenger runs the week before we took 1 week off for the Train Expert channel due to Abby's sickness, the respiratory infection thing. Is there a stoppage, right? Yeah. If Chris hasn't played that horn, I would have shut the camera off, but he didn't play the horn. I was wondering why he didn't play the horn. That's kind of rare. After every stoppage. So.
Conductors are off now. All right, we'll get back on with this grain hopper train. Talk to you later.
All right, we're going to freeze it here. We're going to get off and we'll get back on with this grain hopper train heading north. Talk to you later.